is what I call living, you know. A vacation in my own yard.
Wait. How comes you get to put on a thing and a thing? You see the party turn up. Upon a girl, she hot till she a burn up.
Because mad.
Oh, auntie allow you to do this?
This is my house too, sirs. How you mean by how she allow me to keep parties? How rude. Besides, she gone to the country for the weekend.
Now that makes sense.
Not disturb my tranquility.
Camera, action, start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. We get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me da buy a house a car. Me the girls them honey, but that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky, it really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew. Me say we better than we better than me. We are them other man. Yes, we are them other man.
I look like my manufacture money. Talk about buy house, fix car. And the one Roger in come talk about him pinning need money for go to school like me breed him. Bright. You know something, them better leave me alone and go look some work for doing, you know.
Alright. See my don't no pick me. I'm under your pressure. Are you giving me a headache?
Sorry, Mama. But I did want to just go country to get some cool breeze, some nice country breeze. And the one of them just overshot me like Junker and then me.
Hi, man.
Stick my stomach, man.
Me say enough.
Oh, Mama, sorry. Just want to go home to some peace and quiet here, man. I just want to go up the one I'm not having crew there for make the nice in my head, you know. Oh, because right now me really exhausted and me want some rest. Well, you know, say a full time them fix the road, yeah? No matter how we talk about it, them not doing nothing about it. That's how much of the whole of my front.
You didn't think that I make any difference? Stop beat up your gun.
Come on, watch out. How which rare I keep party about the place. Me tell about them low life people, yeah? No, man. No, sir.
Mommy, this is a private party. You're on the guest list.
Yes. You know something? You better come out of my way now and leave me yard about guest list.
Aye. So you is a collector, Miss Son, because I am the accountant, and I'm going to take all that you have right now. Thank you,
No, crabby. I'm going to kill that boy and Emerson Morris Jr.
You know him from round the building, she run for and thing.
Emerson Coleman Morris, come here to me this instant. And the rest I don't know, come out of my yard.
Mommy, what kind of disrespecting this?
Hold on a little. Hold on, you smell yourself. And we are chat to some. Imagine, me not gone one day and you full up your all jing bang friend them. Eh?
Mommy, embarrass me in front of all my friends, you know. They're so miserable and cantankerous. It's my house this too, you know. If I want to keep a little party with a few of my close friends, what happened to that?
So me miserable and cantankerous now? Well, let me ask you a question. Why you never tell me say I keep party? In my roommate? Eh? And friend me hell? Eh? Half of the people me... Where name? Where name? Argument done. Hold on a little. On the other hearing. On the ear, on the sound of come out and go on the... It's alright, you know something, I'm a phone there. Phone.
How you try to call police from a party, mommy? Hey, yo, people, party done. Too much oppression a go on.
Hold on. You smell yourself. you chat? You want to pick?
Touch me grandbaby one more time and you're going to see the God where you serve.
You know what? Enough of this. I just leave out of your place, yeah?
Yes.
I leave.
Yes. Go on. Follow back your jing bang friend and come out.
Beatrice. Quiet. And the two of you inside.
Mommy.
Now. Uno, sit down. But anybody see me dying and sinful trial? Uno, stop the foolishness.
Yo, I'm tired of she treat me like a picnic, you know, mama. Eh? All I disrespect me all in front of my friend them.
Well, if you start acting like a big man, I'll treat you like one. I'm about friend them. After all it outside a while, we don't even know them. But come see food and liquor, and it's who pay for them, eh? Who pay for all of that? But don't you worry. Never dare yourself to say who went stay behind to help you clean up the mess. So you start by a friend now. You fool like your father.
You know what? Enough for this. Love you, mama. Love you. But I'm going to leave out before I go say something I'm going to regret, yeah?
No, Mr. Murray, say it. Say it, Mr. Murray.
Yo, listen to me now. I'm a big man, you know. And about time I start living my life, my way. Yo, you know what? I come out of your house, yeah?
You know, say the person ever talk to me, so. Mama, you think him really serious?
My love, me think you've gone too far this time.
See the man here.
Oh, you mean?
Come on, man. Yeah, that you. Happy birthday, youth. So, you how much now?
Me a big man for you. A that you fi know. Look at some dirty up man close to. You know, says a party you fi really keep still. A long time I not gonna party, you know. Just through no sound to play the music.
No son. You know we can make it happen. We are gonna make it happen. Yo. Have a skill in my youth. Nah, tell no lie no, yo. You have to use it, you know.
Real?
Yeah, man, so wow. When you were giving the sound?
Sound? Come to Benz. I'm a matter of fact, the Benz.
That mad, you know. Benz. But foreign you come from, so La Benz.
Yeah. As a Cali will say, or a Paris, France. Which one?
Oh, youth. Benz a Benz, man.
Yo, you know me. No, a virgin where work a stone love, you know. Me can't ask father Paul fee some equipment, you know.
You know we, Paul.
How you mean?
Yo, too much ho. You think of Christmas? Here we goes. Make your link. In the meantime, we're gonna make a bill with name of some party about the place here. See?
La Benz.
I tell you, La Benz, man. La Benz. Manners.
Yes. So nice, I don't want to build sound.
Yeah, God, Father, you no, we China thing, you know?
Alright, now about that talk. And that I don't want to do.
Yes, Father Paul.
Alright, then play something for me then, no?
When?
Like now. So the record them there, so you made off. Stop. On nobody no. Me I hear a thing about you, so me I deal with.
Yeah.
I'm like when the young youth them positive and creative and I do things in their life. That's what me I say. But here we go on now. We have a nice, great collection of phone, you know. You see them record you know, more you learn them. Like when you study the new music, them will come out. See, them tune you know, I bet your sound have belly them. You see me and David?
Yes, Father.
So, let's go study them songs, you know. You hear me I say?
Yes, Father.
Alright, respect.
Yeah, man, respect, yeah.
No say a word. Bless it, you know? Bless it.
Belly away, every girl out wear belly. Missy Dan, Lashan, Suzette and Shelly. Some can't get the belly and them dash away already. From your brain, my girl, just show off the belly car.
You, man, what I was telling you about Hemsley.
My youth, I tell you don't call me that. Call me Junior.
Hemsley. So I deal with.
Yo, the man can DJ, the man can rap, the man can make rhythm, the man can sing and...
Yo. I ask you nothing. So you say, you're a DJ. Do a tune for me now, no?
When?
Right now. On the corner, run it.
You know, I never perform in front of so much crowd yet still.
What you gonna know if you're a DJ? You have to do a tune so the crew can hear. Alright, watch this. Yo, crew! You to say I'm a DJ. They go give him a run. I wanna tell me if him can pass.
Yeah. It's like a wicked, what up like pepper, we burn like acid. So any boy this, them a take I'm
Yo, Villa, tell us a man bad Villa, man. But all you want to do, I sit down in the house every day and I write tune.
You can't say an artist and lock up in your room every day, a DJ in front of your mirror. You have to come a road.
Yeah man, I know.
Here, come link me every Wednesday and practice on the sound, see?
Alright.
And make sure you have new lyrics every week. And make sure them bad. I see the crew, Then we laugh off of you. Remember that.
Alright, I can't book them too.
Yeah, man.
Scene, Hemsley, Benzly.
Yeah, man, me like that. Benzly.
That like pepper, it wicked like acid.
Yeah, man.
Auntie, what going?
Hey, Carey, how you do?
Me right, you know, you?
Me good. How your mommy?
Well, she alright, you know, she just go and sort out something because she want to go work over Cayman.
Oh, yes, she did tell me.
Yeah.
Well, me just there try to find the right lotto number them, you know, because me have to win this one day.
One day, Auntie. So the one Junior day?
As usual, up in here, I'm going to make a bag of nice. I'm tell you, sometimes I feel like the nice are going to drive me crazy in this house.
Lord, man, Auntie, stop going so. It's so pay off.
Yeah, I think I stand a better chance to win this a lot than him for boss. All him do is make a bag of nice day in, day out.
Alright, Auntie, me I go hear him a deal with.
Alright.
Yo, cuz, what going?
Ratchet, my youth. You couldn't have fuss. You could have a girl in a naked and go with a bag of things, you know.
Listen, me and you know say you know no woman. Cause no girl no so fool. And as a matter of fact, Auntie the right out there, so go and fool yourself.
Yo, hold on there. I come like say you don't understand, you know. Yo, cuz, I'm sure you have vibes. Why you think the music so loud at daytime? It's because I want to know so I can sneak in a girl at any time and mommy don't know what go on.
Oh, you see you? But on a serious note, mate, you know say you style for yourself, lock up in the house and DJ video in front of the mirror. That's rude for there, no?
Yeah, man, I know. And that's why I make a link on the Benz corner yesterday. Where were you?
Me and context you on a Jamaica yesterday, a bit of vibes.
Oh, so cool. How you go?
No, you know, just some boy off of the back of bad man the flex. I didn't forget for go in star.
Brothers, Buju Bantada. I ruin I know, you know.
Yo, Bill, I run the rhythm there. I make sure you set the cassette. Talk about this body case, man. There's no time to waste. Have mercy. Listen. That's the pleasure, not the pain. Control the body, mesmerize the brain. But any girl a go like she too drink, like she want terrorize, forgot her load.
Hey, Rich.
Hey, man. I'm going to carry the book them too.
Here what? Your new kids are going to work today. So I'm going to set the cassette so it can record, you know, so you can listen back on yourself. Because as artists, you have to learn to write on all type of rhythm. Alright. That one I name the darker shade. Benzly, take the microphone.
It's a thin line between love and hate.
How you do?
Sing.
You sing or you DJ?
Well, I can do both, you know. But because I type a rhythm where they play, I decide to sing.
Listen to me, Benzly. Choose one. You see right now, a DJ want hear a DJ.
No problem. Me come fit modernation with brand new creation, original in every way and no duplication. So where them a go do fi stop this revolution? The young veteran, girl stallion, no one's better than the long mother man. Y'all take dictation, score information.
nice lady what you looking?
No, not looking at anything.
No, I have something for you now. Come here now.
I'm not looking at anything today.
One of the lady and I beg me, I beg you something I sell you. What you come skin up her face like you smell something? Your face feel when John Crow make love.
Bottom one.
And which part you buy this? I'm not open up on a frozen woman there, you know.
Yeah, man. That thief woman there.
Remember, I tell you such a thief body, you know? No. And anybody when you use the thief grabs it. I'll double thief because you know grabs him a criminal.
Ladies, good afternoon, ladies. Ladies, how could I interest you in some brand new lingerie to catch eyes of that special someone? Or some nice couscous perfume made in Paris, France, when your man smell it, him supposed to go or rewind like cassette.
You go on, your mouth too sweet.
That's right, I ran out my teeth.
Well, you're the real walking salesman.
No. I am the ultimate urban businessman. Anything you want, I have, or I can get it.
So under the car.
I can get that for you. Ladies, I also have cassettes, CDs, DVDs. I have some little something that sound like a DJ I'm planning to carry in the future, named Cartel.
So what go on in the book here now? You need some more hardcore lyrics than them here, man. But seriously though, youth, if you combine your style, you don't want to go on out the road right now. It is a shell. Come here, listen to you, and you see your style, you think them different. It's like you think outside of the box. They're mad youth.
John Star, thanks.
Put in a party. Zigzag papa boy in the box. Mad man.
Yo, Mark, my phone can't make a call now.
Again? The time you have to get careful to call my youth. Chill on, brother, this is my youth. Time when I have to get careful to my youth. Yo, hold this man and make a call in case. Channels now. Minute to see.
Yo, we're not forward on the corner. Yeah, Ricky keep a stage show, you know. Yeah, and tell that for them too, yeah? Ah, cool.
Yo, alright, man, I'm calling you up on the cheering you seen?
No, man, Ricky said I'm for do my thing alone.
Yo, I'm call you.
No, I can't come start.
Yo, when you ready? Yeah!
Jump! Look up on the stage, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's the Innocent Kru, ain't that thing changed you? Who's next on the DJ train? Come in, copper, and drive them insane. Yeah, hey! I thought it was the FBI. What me tell them? You scared the flipping lot of them, but you're not scary. Well, if you think so, you're back, come near me. Yeah, pass with the funky. We flap a DJ because he didn't like me. Yeah, this is what Topper said. Lyrics we use and cut up daily bread. I don't response secretary, so don't diss my flipping crew. So we sing and say, look up on the stage, it's a bird, it's a plane, recognize clumsy ducks, ain't that thing changed too. Who's next on the DJ train? Come in, clumsy, and drive them insane.
I name where me name and me name can't change. Break it on the street, we give you on the lane. Name where me name and me name can't change. Clumsy dap, clumsy dap. Boy, hear me name and know I'm that a lot that. And time me the prize and come up back. Lyrics get to the med, right on the spot. And people are ball, so we wicked to the max.
Look up on the stage, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's the Innocent Kru, ain't a thing changed you. Who's next on the DJ train? Come in Benzly and drive them insane.
Imagination, we brand new creation. Original in every way, you're no duplication. So when them a go do fi stop this Revolution, the young veteran, girl stallion, no one's better than the long argument. Y'all take dictation, store information, Maka head rip up the version.
I tell you, no lie, with you and the Innocent Kru, youth, the thing sick of the complete package. When you see the baggerman thing, we need to get rid of some of them. 13 man in a one group, that don't make no sense. We need some organization. Listen, I have 4 of them see. Clumsy, him are the Jamaican flavor. Kappa, he bring the old school style hardcore. Maka, are the flow bank lyrical genius. You see you, Benzly, you're the wow factor. You come with some unexpected things where nobody not think of. Sing about to you know. What I just 4 of them say, nah lie.
That time me go take over your body system. Suck down your body, make you look like a pin. Cause you're taking the drugs and you're not
Innocent. Bad you know. Udo. I go run the place. Me tell you that. Aye.
Frotted. What go on, Villa?
Tell me now.
Daydreaming now. Yeah, but me and the crew just come from the corner star.
Eh. Real thing, you know.
Yeah.
You know, when I come from far, I don't even further to go. Remember me tell you that. So you look so down, dog.
You know, see, me and mommy in a fight. Feel like I want to just move out of the house and get me one place, isn't it?
Aye. You know good thing that? It's about time, you know. For me like you, just leave out the house and the car and start fresh. Bachelor pad. New car, everything. And I like saying I have the money for do it in a dog.
Yeah, no still, but just that I never really live without mommy yet still, isn't it?
Hyper time I learn, man. How more time I want a place to carry 2 cats over. Don't know my mother stay already.
When was that you pre, you know?
Nah, man. A real talk. You can do this, man. Easy, simple thing. Need help your pack.
All right.